Alright, so my hair is wet. It's not like super wet, but it's wet. I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner, some leave-in treatment to my hair, and oh, this stuff smells so good. Today we are going to be using this blow dryer. So this blow dryer is by Irrisistible Me. This is the Black Diamond Professional Ionic Hair Dryer, and I love that it's a small blow dryer because if you blow dry your hair by yourself, sometimes the blow dryer is like extremely heavy or big and it's just gonna wear on your arms and you get tired and you don't even end up doing a good job. So when I got this blow dryer in the mail, my husband obviously opened it. He's a barber and he uses the Dyson blow dryer, so he wanted to check it out first. He like tested it out. So it does have 3 settings for heat and then 3 settings for the power if you want it to be stronger, if you want like a light blow dry, a strong blow dry, and it does have the cooling setting right here. Look how tiny this thing is. It's so tiny, but it's so powerful. Very lightweight. It does come with these 2 little nozzles. This one's a smaller one. It does come with a larger one, but I like this one. They're both almost the same size, but it does come with 2. But I love this blow dryer so much because it's so tiny. I have another blow dryer that I love, but it's very big and it's heavy. And once I started to use this one, I was like, okay, this is super easy for me to use because it's just very small and sleek and it just feels nice. It's very professional. It actually matches my, don't look at the hair, it matches my little Conair brush. It's like the same color, like the black and the copper or rose gold. Is that rose gold? I don't know, but super cute and super fast and easy to use. This little guy right here is so powerful. Like your hair is going to be dry super quick. So I'm going to show you guys a quick little tutorial on how I blow dry my hair. So like I said, my hair is kind of damp. It's more wet than damp. The ends are starting to get dry. But what I like to do, I'm very messy with everything that I do to my hair. I'm just going to brush it through with this brush, just very slightly. I'm not going to tug on my hair or anything like that. And I'm going to tie up half. My hair is pretty short. It was shorter. It's growing and I'm super happy. I keep saying that, but it's really growing. It's kind of like up to my armpits, but I had to cut it shorter, but it's growing. So don't you guys get excited when your hair starts growing because you guys can actually see progress? I love that. So all I do is grab chunks of hair. I grab my brush and I just blow dry my hair, and my hair just ends up being very soft and bouncy, and it looks super healthy, especially if you use good products. And this blow dryer just does something to your hair that it just really smooths it out. I don't feel like I have to go with the flat iron over it. Sometimes with blow dryers you feel like your hair tends to look frizzy and you go with the straightening iron just to smooth out that frizz, but I feel like this blow dryer, especially with this nozzle, just really smooths out your hair. And you want to get yourself a good brush as well. Okay, so I did the bottom half of my hair, and do you guys see like that bounce, like that shine? I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. It just makes my hair feel so soft. I need to take a little noodle break. I love these. And from here you can style it. You can like pin it up if you want. You can do like halfway up, halfway down. You can leave it like this, which is what I'm gonna do. And that is how I blow dry my hair at home. I feel like with this quarantine, we've literally been trying to teach ourselves how to do our own like nails and like beauty things, like self-care. And I definitely learned how to blow dry my hair. Like I cannot wait for my hair to be long, or I might just get some hair extensions, because with this blow dryer and a bigger brush, like a bigger brush, you can get like some pretty beautiful waves. And I just really love this product. Irrisistible Me is a great brand. I love their hair extensions and this tool right here. Like I never thought I needed a good blow dryer, but once you get one, it's gonna last you a really long time and you're really gonna reach for it more. I do like to blow dry my hair versus straightening it and styling it with the straightening iron, even though I do like straightening irons. But something about a nice blow dry that just gives you like this bounce and this shine to the hair, which I really, really like. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, don't forget to check out the description. I have all the details down below. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like my hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.